to make your Facebook account private. First, log into your Facebook account. Click on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Settings Privacy. From the drop-down, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section and select it. You'll see options to adjust who can see your future posts, who can see the people and pages you follow, and more. Change the audience to friends or only me depending on your preference. Next, navigate to the Profile and Tagging section under the Privacy settings to control who can post on your profile, who can see what others post on your profile, and whether you want to review posts you're tagged in before they appear on your profile. Adjust these settings to your desired level of privacy. After that, go to the Public Posts section to control who can follow you and who can comment on your public posts. Set the options to friends or only me. Once you've gone through these settings, your Facebook account should be more private with restricted visibility to the general public.